It's the flow, man.
Oh, yeah.
It's the flow.
Man, okay, this is what I did. I shot my mom. Can I do this, please? I love this thing. Ladies and gentlemen, Nyabutwi. Flash star show my say baby. That's right. Flash star show my say baby. JC. Fund the mic. All right, let's do this. Feel this. Flash star show my say baby. Braja show my say baby. Aha wala lacho. Nafu waya krabacha. Represent your town. Makwada braka. Asha mama na moya ama butimli. Akbajalanti mama no kumli. Same time, same place, I'm bang on it. I'm nailing the beat, I got 5 on it. Hip hop, calypso, drum and bass, R&B, slow jam and reggae. Upa bombi disco, entry, Cisco, my dance move, fresh. Mishka tepe beat, tachalero processo. Eno nako dandabi, eno nuko dandabi. Mina keba homo na hey birthday. Say you and say me and say you again. Your lungs and your birds be left hanging in chairs. Come on. Asha mama na moya, I'm a butimli. Asha mama moya, I'm a butimli. Asha mama na moya, I'm a butimli. Asha. Okay, see, share. The next girl I met found no metunidin Belinda. Rebecca artist starting from Bella Venezia. And ultimate yo, me dressing nice. Me brought for casa enemy vocabs I get tight. No pigeon, strictly English vibes. I'm a waka yak, sure how to despise. Yanko, spicy chicken, metal, I'm a wire licking. Or fingers, forget about the figures. Mayoje, one send me some mommy, first girl a jammy. One send me a son, send me a crotchy. One send to me the same, mama, my give me a hardcore, me rock it all, mayo floor, okay. Asha mama na moya, I'm a butibling. Asha mama na moya, I'm a butibling. Asha mama na moya, I'm a butibling. Akbajalanti jaro, manyo no kumli. Ladies and gentlemen, it's JC, PSP, Jesus. Be the ghost, they hide the most. English style.
Catch me on my old black two-wheeler. Catch me on my old black two-wheeler. Catch me on my old black two-wheeler. Couple moons ago I used to be a
dealer.
Couple months ago I used to be a
dealer.
Couple months ago I used to be a
dealer.
Catch me on my old black
two-wheeler.
On the go I used to be a
dealer.
Catch me on my old black two-wheeler. Catch me on my old black two-wheeler. Couple months ago I used to be. Catch me on the DD. Move like Patel, but since she's here now, I gotta do well. I ain't got time for that, so I don't dwell. But enough of these guys wanna see well. It's not dry, this well, it ain't going so well. But you know I gotta get out of the old games, get into a new games. Out with the old, in with the new. Yeah, fresh slate. Page, put in input, get paid. I do my best work, that's when I do best. I do what works, even though I know I gotta put in work. Comes in true worth, true form. Catch me on my all black two-wheeler. Catch me on my all black two-wheeler. Couple months ago I used to be
dealer.
Catch me on the corner, I take it well like Patel. But since I got my little felly fails, it all fell into place before too soon. Time goes past me. That's my face on the CD case. So I guess the feds ain't got a case. Hip hip hooray, I made my own mixtape. I go to places, they know what I'm gonna say. Before I say, so I say, Acha.
Catch me on my old black
two-wheeler. Catch me on my old black two-wheeler. Catch me on my old black two-wheeler. Couple moons ago I used to be
dealer.
Before she came numerous times, I didn't know her name. Time moved so fast, I didn't know her name.
That's what I'm talking about.
And then she came, and I'm like, nowadays I gotta work so hard. Get off the road, you know it doesn't pay so well. But well, I need another, and I can't do it, so back on the road again. Your boy's back on it. Who's got that pack? Who's got that food? I need it out though. I gotta get that. I gotta get big dough. So you know, no slow mo. Man's out here trying to do it.